going on, guys? Got a ceiling fan here, it's stuck on low. Pull the chain. And the speed doesn't change. It just stays like that. So we'll get the cover off here and see what's going on in there. Okay, got the light cover off. Now we want to back out these 3 screws here a little bit. Okay, just loosen those up. Give it a twist and drop it down. Can unplug the harness here. If I can do it with one hand. There we go. So I think we're going to have a bad capacitor here on the fan. So I got a new one here hooked up to my meter, and got one lead on the gray, and we'll test this one out. Put the other lead on our red, and we should be getting gray to red about 4.5, and we're at 4.3. Okay, let's try gray to brown, and should be getting around 6. We got 6.1. Now gray to purple. We should be getting around 5, and we're getting 4.8. So that's a good new capacitor. Now, let me get this old one out here and we'll test it. Get your cutters. I'll strip these back so we can cut them pretty short, but just wanted to make sure I had enough wire for the new one. Alright, so put one lead on your gray. Now to the red we should be getting around 4.5. And we're reading 250. Now to the brown, we should be getting 6. We're getting 5.9. And to purple, we should be reading around 5. 4.9. So the red one is the one that's giving us a weird reading of 250, which it should be 4.5. So that capacitor is bad. Just strip back all your wires. Okay, and just hook these up. Red for red, brown for brown, purple to purple, and your 2 grays. Gray to gray. Doesn't matter what gray goes where. I'll electrical tape these up here after I test it out, make sure everything's working. Alright, I got the cover back up. Let's turn it on here and see what happens. Oh yeah, big difference. Got all three speeds, high, medium, low. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.